Hey, if you are using the Beats Solo 4 headphones and they are keep disconnecting from your iPhone or Android smartphone, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to check if this headphones works properly with any other device, like for example your PC, any other smartphone, or for example your TV or game console. If they still keep disconnecting from these devices, first I will recommend you to perform the hard reset by holding this power button until this indicator right here starts blinking red and white. Currently it's blinking only white, so we have to keep holding. Just wait for it. It will take around 10 seconds of holding. There we go. And after it disappears, we have to release this button. Now we are in the pairing mode, and we can try to connect them one more time and check if the connection is stable. But if it doesn't work and you still get this disconnecting issue, I will recommend you to perform the reset of the network settings. So go into the search, input reset, and select input network, select network settings, and here, oh, I just picked something wrong. There we go. Okay, and now we can click reset, and we have to select reset network settings. And yeah, that's all tips that I can actually recommend you to do if you have this kind of the issue. If it still doesn't work, I will recommend you to take advantage of the warranty or actually put them back into some professional paid service. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.